Myself Surya J. I completed my graduation in PA College of Engineering Technology, Coimbatore. Since I am from non-technical background, I needed to upskill my technical skills. So I came to Bangalore in search of job. So I chose JSpiders Basavanagudi to upskill my DevOps skills. Like in technical skills. So here we got an amazing trainer, Srikant Jaldanki. So he from scratch he taught everything about AWS tools and DevOps, AWS services and DevOps tools. So it helped us a lot to upskill our skills and got placed in company. And JSpiders Basavanagudi is a amazing place to upskill yourself in both technical and non-technical manner. So here they have user-friendly environment which allows you to connect with each and every trainers and each and every students around here. So that's all about. Thank you.